300 years have passed. We thought we were mastering the world, but we only succeeded in silencing its rhythm. Look at the sky. Look at the wind. Today, the sun, the rain, and the seasons are nothing more than a mechanical command. We have traded the soul of the earth for a digital pulse. Walk through our gardens of glass. The leaves no longer dance to the breeze. They vibrate to the rhythm of electric currents. We took the heartbeat of nature and replaced it with the hum of a machine. We have everything. Yet we have lost the very essence of life. Our minds have grown godlike. With a single thought, we move mountains of steel and reshape our cities. But can these powerful thoughts breathe life back into a dying planet? Can a mind of code ever recreate the warmth of a real spring? This is the burden of our progress. The wars of the past, of race, religion, and creed, have finally died away. Now, every camp, every soul, fights the same final battle. To reclaim the beautiful world we ourselves destroyed. We are no longer fighting each other. We are fighting for the soil, for the water, for a future that is green. Will we ever touch the heart of a true earth again? Or is this beautiful cage our final legacy? The reclamation begins now.